out the cream blush, and I really like this shade the most. This is like the orange one, and this is in the shade Spring Dust. And then they also have this one. This one's a bit dark for me. If I were to use this, I would just have to blend it out and then go in with powder. And then the other shade is Fairy. This one actually will look really pretty on my skin tone as well. So yeah, so these are some cream blushes that they came out with. This isn't my first time trying it on. I've used it before. I actually really like it. My favorite definitely is this one, Spring Dust. And then you can go ahead and use your fingers to kind of blend it out. So I'm using the shade Spring Dust. And you really just want to go in with a little bit because it is so pigmented. Okay, so I just go in like that. And then I smile and then I just blend it out. And I'm just going to pat, 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 and then blend it out. If you use your fingers, you're just gonna get it to be a little bit more pigmented. So that is kind of up to you if you wanna use your finger or if you wanna go in with a dual fiber brush just to kind of sheer it out. It just depends how you want to apply the blush. If you want it to be more pigmented, use your finger. But if you want it to be a little bit more sheer, then you could use a brush like this. So whenever you feel like you applied too much cream blush, just go in with your foundation brush and just kind of blend everything out.